up, YouTube? Got Skunk72 coming at you from overcast Southern California. Now, that's not normal for us. I'm sure it'll be gone soon. It's supposed to still be like 90 degrees today. First of all, I've got to apologize for like the 2 or 3 of you that actually watch my videos. It's been a long time since I posted anything. And unfortunately, that's actually the last time I actually rode too. So, along with the apology to the 2 or 3 of you, I also gotta apologize for the same old scenery that you guys have seen a billion times. I do apologize for that. Unfortunately, the only reason I'm out riding today is I have to go fix my mom's sprinkler system. I actually had things that I needed to do today that aren't going to get done because Mom needed a little help. So I'm going to go take care of Mom real quick, but she woke me up at 3:30 this morning telling me that her sprinklers wouldn't shut off. So I had to drag my ass out of bed and head over to her house and shut off the water supply. And now I'm heading back because I had to replace one of her automatic sprinkler valves. So the reason I haven't been out riding at all is just life. Life's in the way right now. I'm not only working on the ambulance, which I'm going to get into how that's going here in a few minutes, but I've also been trying to get days at the movie studios. So I've been just double dipping everywhere whenever I can. So I'm happy to say I've got all my days that I need to join the union. I'm just waiting on the union to let me in. And then we will most likely be going on strike as soon as I get in. So it's getting interesting. Then, as you all know, my wife is currently fighting breast cancer, which in about a month and a half she's going to be having another surgery. So we got that slowing things down a little bit, but she's a fighter. I'm sure she'll be fine. She's been dealing with health problems most of her life, and she's still fighting it all, so I'm proud of her. Now, as far as the ambulance job, that's just gotten horrible. I mean, it's gotten to the point where a 24-hour shift is 24 hours being awake and running calls. We are not getting any sleep anymore. Nobody will come in to work overtime shifts, and they are even paying us holiday pay right now for any picked up open shift. And still nobody will come in and work them just because it's so bad. I mean, everybody's tired. They don't want to come in. And, it's gotten to the point where, your body just needs a rest that you can't keep pushing it. Even, it doesn't matter how much they're paying you. You got to get rest. So, and then when you look at on top of that, even though we're getting holiday pay for it, our normal pay is really low, so even the holiday pay isn't great. I mean, honestly, I'm going to say that the holiday pay that we're getting is about what our normal regular time hourly should be. So if you ever get a ride in an ambulance, hopefully none of you need to, but if you do, and it's in an area where it's a contracted ambulance service, just keep in mind, those guys that are tired and doing everything that they can to save your life don't make very much money. Alright, all the work is done at Mama's house, so I'm going to be heading home now. Unfortunately, we're going to be riding straight into the sun. So, I think I'm just going to go ahead and call the vlog quits for now. Hopefully, I'll be able to do another vlog in, less than 3 months. I'm just guessing. I don't even remember what my last vlog was, but this is going to be it for right now. So rubber side down, shiny side up, and I will talk to you all later.